How to add music on Messenger Note. So if you want to add music to your Messenger Note, then first you need to open your Messenger application and make sure to log in into your Messenger application, and you have blocked in your upper left here have your note option, right? Tap on your note and he will have your note, right? So you want to add it. So if you tap on your note option here, you can see that you will have option to share your note and bits on Instagram. If you go to your note here on bottom that we profile, we have little music shaped icon, right? And to add your music bit on Messenger, you don't have the particular music option. You can simply share text layers on that music that you like bit. You can share the music on Messenger, and if you have any question, guys, feel free to comment below. And thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Like this video and share this video, guys.